Good evening, everyone. How are we doing? Happy Sunday. Welcome back to my channel. For a long time, we've not been able to be on live because of one or two things. But I promise you that this time around, I will try as much as possible to keep to our dates and our time, which is every Sunday by 8 p.m. Nigerian time. We'll be live here just for 5 minutes, just for 5 minutes lecture and nothing else, so that it won't be too much for us that are still learning. So today, we want to know the parts of our body, which is called ọtụtụ ebe dị iche iche n'ahụ anyị. Ịmara ọtụtụ ebe dị iche iche n'ahụ anyị. Ọtụtụ ebe dị iche iche n'ahụ anyị bụ isi, which is held in English. Isi, which is head in English. Then we have agwa, which is chin in English. Agwa, chin. Ihu, face. Ihu, face. Ihu, face. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Aka, hand. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. Mkpịsị aka, fingers. Obi, chest. Obi, chest. Obi, chest. Obi, chest. Ụkwụ, leg. Ụkwụ, leg. Ụkwụ, leg. Ikpere, knee. Ikpere, knee. Ikpere, knee. Ikpere, knee. Just as it is called, you'll be able to learn it faster when you know what it is called in English, and then you'll be able to know what it's called in Igbo. We have oku leg. Oku leg in Igbo. Ikpere, knee. Ikpere, knee. Mkpụrụ obi, heart. Mkpụrụ obi, heart. Heart, mkpụrụ obi. Heart, mkpụrụ obi. Breast, ara. Breast, ara. Waist, puku. Waist, puku is waist. Uku, waist. Uku, waist. Toe, ọ bụ ụkwụ. Toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Toes, mkpịsị ụkwụ. Hand, aka. Hand, aka. Ntutu isi, hair. Ntutu isi, hair. Eze, teeth. Eze, teeth. Anya, eye. If it is the two of them, eyes, anya. Eyes, anya. Eyes, anya. So just like I told you, I don't want to waste time in teaching. At least 5 minutes is enough for us to know. At least once, even after the live, you can be able to go back and then hear and listen one or two things we've touched so far. It's better it is short so that we'll be able to understand it better. So I'll be stopping here. See you same time next week for another version. Thank you and bye bye. Bye.